Bicycle repair shops are essential for keeping bicycles in top condition and ensuring safety for riders. These businesses provide valuable repair and maintenance services, which require specialized knowledge and skill. Effective management of a bicycle repair shop involves meticulous attention to financial details. Accurate bookkeeping and accounting are crucial for smooth operations, compliance with regulations, and ensuring profitability. Let's explore the importance of bookkeeping and accounting for bicycle repair shops. Managing operating costs, accurate revenue tracking, tax compliance and filing, financial forecasting, inventory management, cash flow management. Meru Accounting recognizes the specific financial challenges faced by bicycle repair shops. Our skilled accountants and bookkeepers are dedicated to simplifying your financial management and enhancing the overall success of your business. Let's explore the core aspects of bookkeeping and accounting for bicycle repair shops. Expense categorization, revenue analysis, inventory valuation, financial statement preparation, compliance with industry regulations. Here are some services offered by Meru Accounting for bicycle repair shops: expense management, revenue tracking, budget creation and monitoring, payroll processing, tax filing and compliance, financial reporting, strategic planning, business performance analysis. By leveraging our services, you can focus on your core business while we handle the financial aspects, ensuring your shop operates efficiently and profitably.